how to create awesome Genmojis on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure your iPhone is updated to the iOS 18.2 beta via Settings General Software Update. Then next, in the Messages app, simply tap on the plus button and tap on Image Playground option available there. Next, you will be prompted to request early access Image Playground, Genmojis and Image Wand. Once you have been granted access, simply follow these steps here to use Genmojis. Now, open the Messages app, tap on the thread or compose a new message, tap on the emoji icon and start typing a description in the text field, for example, a pink flamingo with tap dancing shoes, and tap on Create New Emojis. An ovular bubble will appear showing that it is currently generating a new Genmoji. After a few seconds, you should see some iterations of your new AI generated emoji. Swipe through the options and hit insert on the one you like the most. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.